Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys coupon inserts that we will be getting this Sunday, November 10th. It looks like we will be getting 2 inserts, one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. I found this site on SundayCouponInserts.com. It does vary from every single website. I just Google inserts, so not everybody gets the same inserts. I know what I will get and I know what I don't get, but I just still share with you guys in case you guys need to get coupons ahead of time. But we are getting some Breathe Right, $2 off any Breathe Right. Now I do think there was some printables for that on coupons.com not that long ago, but if you guys want to go ahead and use those. Crockpot, $1. We are getting $1 off Crest coupons because the ones in the PNG will expire. Dove, we got $1 off and $2.50. Greenies Treats, Hefty Products, $1 and $1.50. I haven't seen coupons for that in a long time. We got Hillshire Farm Products, 55 cents. Now there was $1 off a 2 on coupons.com. Jimmy Dean, Keebler Crackers, $1 off any 2. Now depending on what Keebler Crackers there is a good deal going on right now with the Kellogg's Family Rewards, where if you guys buy 2 specific products, you guys can get a digital movie. I have gotten one of the digital movies so far, so I want to get 2 more. Libby's vegetable cans. Now that's something if you guys want to donate to food drives and stuff, use those coupons, get some free, really cheap stuff, and we can do that. Lipton products, 60 cents off of 2. I plan on getting a couple of those because I want to make some more crock pot meals. Here we got number 7. There is some stuff at Walgreens. I think there might be some stuff on clearance at Walgreens for number 7. We got Olay Soap and Glory right here, you guys. Here's a $2 off coupon for anything $10 or more, and that is sold at Walgreens. So you guys might be able to use that for Christmas items, and it doesn't expire till January 10th. So you guys can also save those coupons for after Christmas and get some good deals depending on what they have. Plus they have some stuff on clearance also. Suave, we're getting $1.50 off of that, which I'm assuming $2.50 off of 2, probably. Suave Professionals, $2. Here's a Suave, buy one get one free. Suave. Theraflu, $2. Oh my god, that stuff I had one time and it was nasty, but it worked. Triamatic, and then Right Bacon, and then here is what is in the Smart Source. We got Aveeno Baby, $2 off. Aveeno Body Lotion, $2 off. Band-Aids, 75 cents. Bayer. Betty Crocker Fruit Snacks, 50 cents off of 3. Bic Lighters, $1. That's sometimes a good coupon if you guys can get some good deals. I am wasted in Bic Lighters from a couple years ago, so I don't need any. Blue Cat Treats, Dog. Broncaid, Chobani, we have $1 off any 5, which I feel like we just got those coupons, but hey, if you want to give us more, go for it. Cottonelle Flushable Wipes, 50 cents. Cottonelle Toilet Paper, $1. Diamond of California, not sure what that is. Dukes, Edwards, Energizer Batteries, or Flashlight, $1.25. Ferrero, $1. Hidden Valley Ranch Dips, $1. Shakers, $2. Juicy Deuce, we got 55 cents. Kleenex Tissues, 50 cents. Listerine, $1. Lubriderm, $2. Lysol, 50 cents, and $1.50. Nature Valley Boxes for 50 cents. Ricola, yeah, $1. Rock, $2 and $3. Sargento Cheese, Theratiers, Waka Walla, whatever that is, and then we have Windex for $1 off of 2. So those are what is coming out in the inserts we are getting this Sunday. So if you guys need to get inserts or specific individual coupons, there's some sites out there where you guys can get that stuff. But just sharing with you guys on that so you guys can figure out your deals ahead of time. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.